The Trespass and Suicide Prevention, TSP for short, Toolkit identifies effective railroad trespass and suicide prevention strategies and makes it easy to navigate measures most relevant to your specific needs. The TSP Toolkit is useful for individuals who work directly in railroad safety, but also researchers, community members, suicide prevention groups, or others with an interest in preventing trespassing and suicide. Throughout the toolkit, the term measure is used to refer to a single strategy to address rail trespass and suicide. A measure may attempt to better understand the circumstances surrounding incidents, prevent future incidents, or lessen the impact of an incident that has already taken place. In order to access the toolkit from the FRA homepage, just click on the Railroad Safety tab, then over to the Railroad Crossing Safety and Trespass Prevention page. From there, click on the Data Analytics and Tools subpage, scroll down until you reach the Trespass and Suicide Prevention Toolkit, and from there you click on the link to take you directly to the toolkit. Each of the items on the right represents a measure. The dark blue headings are the names of the groups with each of the measures that belong in that group listed below. Each measure has a short description to help add more context. Hovering over a measure will highlight it. If you click on the plus symbol, the measure will expand to reveal 7 different tabs for you to select. The tabs include a brief description of the measure, notable practices to consider, advantages that make this measure useful, drawbacks to consider, images or examples of the measure, references to any published work that is cited, and lastly, other related measures within the toolkit that you may wish to review. To find the measures that are most relevant to your needs, you can also use the tools on the left to search for and filter the measures. Words entered in the search bar will identify measure titles, definitions, and descriptions, which include the word you searched. For example, if you search for light, the measure displayed on the right filter to show the items in the detection and lighting group. Any item on which the measure has been filtered are listed at the top of the list. A search term can be easily removed by selecting the clear button below the term. Below the search bar, you can also filter the measures by selecting one or more of the checkboxes. These filters include what type of incident are you trying to prevent, only trespass or suicide, or both, where you are looking to prevent incidents, only at stations or along the right-of-way, or both, what type of strategy are you looking to employ, data, education, enforcement, or engineering. Lastly, if you know the measure group you are looking to explore, jump right in with this filter. The Toolkit User Guide available here provides a more in-depth review of how to use all the toolkit's functions. Happy exploring!